going to discuss about a survey on mathematical machine learning and deep learning models for COVID-19 transmission and diagnosis. Then we are going to see about the overview of our project. This is the abstract of our project. The main objective of our project is to classify or to predict the COVID-19 tweet is either positive or negative or neutral by using different classification algorithm, that is deep learning and machine learning. COVID-19 is a life-threatening disease which has an enormous global impact. As the cause of the disease is a novel coronavirus whose gene information is unknown, drugs and vaccines are yet to be found. The used dataset is extracted from Twitter provided by UCI repository. After gathering the tweets, the dataset is cleaned using the pre-processing techniques. They are labeled and a model is developed which is effective for detecting the actual sentiment behind a tweet related to COVID-19. The contribution of this work is the performance evaluation of various machine learning classifiers using proposed feature set. Tweets are classified as extremely positive, neutral, extremely negative, and positive or negative using machine learning algorithm, that is logistic regression, and deep learning algorithm, that is the convolutional neural network, for classifying the tweets. The performance of classifiers is evaluated on the basis of accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Then compare the graph for all above mentioned techniques. So this is the overview of our project. Then we are going to see about the flow of our project. Here COVID-19 tweet dataset is used as input, was collected from dataset repository like UCI, GitHub, Kaggle and so on. The dataset was mentioned in our base paper. Then the selected data or carry out to pre-processing step. Here we have to check any missing values is present in your dataset. If we have any missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or any mean or median values for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. Here we have to encode the data into some labels, that is we have to convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. The pre-processed data are carried out to NLP, natural language processing, for text pre-processing. So here we have to remove punctuation, special characters, then we have to remove the stem words, stop words, tokenization, like that. So the pre-processed or cleaned data are split carry out to data splitting module. Here we have splitted the data set into test data and train data. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. So the splitted data are carry out to feature extraction modules. Here we are implemented vectorization, that is the count vectorization. Here we have to convert the text into some vectors or array. Then the extracted features are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented different classification algorithms like convolutional neural network and logistic regression for predicting or classifying the tweet is either positive or negative or neutral. The classified data are carried out to performance analysis. Here we have to estimate the performance like accuracy, so it is the overall prediction. However, model predict accurately in terms of percentage. Then we have to compare the both algorithm results based on accuracy and visualize that. So this is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about the demo of our project. So this is the demo of our project. Here we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. The first module, this is the data selection. Here we are selected our input data by using pandas package. Here we are displayed some sample of data set, because our data set contains n number of rows, so we can't display all the rows, so that's why we are displayed here 15 number of rows. Then this is the before handling missing values. So here we had some missing values in the column location. Then before handling missing values, so here we have to remove the missing values. Then label encoding. So before label encoding, so these are these strings. So after label encoding, so these are the integer values. So this is a string which is present in our data set. So after we have to convert the string into numeric integer values like this. Before applying NLP, so we have special characters in that sentence and URL like that. Say all these sentences are upper cases and lower, mixed of upper cases and lower cases and in special characters. So after applying NLP, we have to remove all these things. Like here we have to remove the links like that. So I hope we can see that. Then tokenization. So here we have to convert the text into some tokens. Then data splitting. So here this is the total number of data which is present in our data set. After splitting the data set into test and train based on ratio, so the test data contains this numbers and train data contain this much of numbers. Then vectorization. So here we have to convert the text into some vectors value. So this is the result for vectorization. Then performance analysis for both classification algorithm, that is random forest. So this is the result for random forest. Then this is the result for CNN. Then prediction. So here we are displayed 10 sample of test data. So the first tweet from our test data is negative, neutral, so like that. So this is the classification. Actually, how many percent tweets are positive, how many percent tweets are negative, neutral, like that. So this is the output of